Here we are, folks. Yep, it's another Sunday fun day for Kyle and Son Spray Foam. Today's little project, gonna be up on top of that roof trying to beat Mother Nature. Get this foam down on top of that deck before the rain comes back. Seems like this November and October been nothing but rain. We'll be back at it here shortly. Get some video pictures of the top side spraying down. Got to put 6.5 inches in that deck up there, get it R49, and seal her up with some plywood. See you in a bit. And a view from the sky. Here we are, up on the rooftop, laying down 6.5 inches of foam. R49 going in on top of the roof deck because, well, we got some beautiful tongue groove pine exposed down below. Built this nice deck for us to work off of. Filling it all in with foam. Yeah, those gray things are covering up the recessed lights. You can see they're buried below them pockets with enough clearance for the light fixtures. There's the mastermind of the foam gun right there, Logan James, getting it done. Looks like a beautiful thing right there. That looks like warm and cozy on a cold winter night.
Well, there you have it. This exterior spray is done. We got a nice sunny day to work on this one. Few and far between here in upstate New York, especially coming into winter. But if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.